In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email alias in Zoho Mail. Whether you're managing communications for a small business or a larger organization, the ability to create email aliases is a powerful feature that allows you to manage your emails more efficiently without the need for additional email accounts. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening the admin console. To do this, you'll want to navigate to mailadmin.zoho.com in your web browser. Once there, you'll need to log in using your super admin or admin credentials for your Zoho organization. It's important to ensure you're using an account with sufficient permissions, as these credentials will give you access to modify the settings you need. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the admin interface. Look to the left of your screen, where you'll find a menu. From this menu, click on the Users option. This section hosts all the accounts within your organization. Now, scroll through the list or use the search function to find the user you wish to create an alias for. Once you've found their name or email, go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the specific settings for that user's mailbox. With the user selected, your next stop is the Mailbox Settings section. Within this section, you'll see a variety of options, and the one we're focusing on today is Email Alias. Click here to proceed. You should now see the option to add an alias. Look for a button labeled Add, or sometimes Add New Alias, depending on your version's interface. An alias is essentially an alternate name or address for the inbox, and setting it up is pretty straightforward. In the form that appears, you'll need to enter the alias username. This is the prefix of the email, for instance, support, if you're aiming for support@yourdomain.com. Following the username, select the domain you want the alias to belong to from the drop-down menu provided. Zoho allows you to handle multiple domains if your organization uses more than one. At this stage, you might notice an option asking if you want this alias to be the mailbox address. Think of this as setting it as the primary address for the inbox. If you're interested in this, go ahead and make your selection. Once you've configured these settings to your liking, click Add to save all your changes. And there you have it. Your alias is now active. Zoho Mail supports creating up to 30 aliases per user, giving you a wide range of flexibility to manage various communication channels all under one user account. This can be particularly useful for roles that handle multiple responsibilities or departments needing unified access. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now equipped with the skills to expand your Zoho email capabilities. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or for further assistance.